Morning, Chaya ji.
Hi, good morning. Namaste.
Namaste. How are things?
Things ठीक है, कह सकते हो आप.
Okay. How was last week?
Okay, last week. Last week, to be honest, ma'am, I think इतने time बाद this week was really terrible for me. मतलब इतना ज़्यादा कि I really lost it. I feel कि it was my saturation and I couldn't do anything about it. I couldn't help it. It was too much for me to bear.
Okay.
Yeah.
It must be very difficult for you to keep up during such challenging times, but would you like to talk a little more about it?
Yeah, of course. I thought I'll discuss this with you as well. कि since आपने मुझे last time बताया था expressed emotions के बारे में, and काफ़ी हद तक मुझे समझ भी आया है, and I really relate with the concept. But I think this week it was entirely opposite what happened. राइट मुझे सब चीज़ें समझ में आ रही थी कि हाँ राहुल को साइकोसिस है, ये सारी उसके साइंस एंड सिम्टम्स हैं. बट एट वन पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था कि ये सब वो पर्पसफुली हो रहा है. लाइक आई लिटरली I couldn't stand those statements. I couldn't stand those accusations, those questions कि आप मुझे poison तो नहीं कर रही हो, आप मेरी दुश्मन हो. मतलब कितना पॉइंट तक मैं ये चीज़ ले सकती हूँ, आई हैव नो आइडिया. मतलब आई अंडरस्टैंड एक पॉइंट तक, बट लास्ट वीक आई टोटली लॉस्ट इट. आई थिंक आई shouted at him, I cried, I howled, I did everything, and understanding was not there at all, literally for me. And जब ये सब हो रहा था तो all those memories came back rushing to me so much. जो भी पुराना हुआ हॉस्पिटलाइजेशन से पहले एंड वो सब चीज़ें कि फर्नीचर तोड़ देना, जो हमने स्टाफ रखा था उन पे सेक्सुअल रिमार्क्स एंड वो सब चीज़ें. एंड एट द एंड मुझे बस यही लगा कि क्या ये रियली साइकोसिस है, क्या ये सच में कर रहा है. एंड आई इमीडिएटली फेल्ट बैड अबाउट इट, बट इट सीम लाइक सो कि कोई इंसान ऐसी चीज़ें कैसे बोल देता है. एंड later I sort of identified what triggered me the most was that how he says that it's all my fault. It's something I realized that I cannot hear this, I cannot bear this. कि how that I am investing my finances, मेरा time, मेरी life इनके लिए, and all I hear is that ये मेरी गलती है. And I think at that time I lost it. It was too much for me to listen to that statement, and
That was your breaking point.
Yes, that was. And after that, I just shut my door. I was just left alone in my room. I was crying. Yeah, I know you taught me all those things and everything, and I did completely opposite of that. But it's very difficult to be in this position.
It is.
Yeah.
It is. Which is why we have this setup available for you, because what happens is that चाहे आपको नॉलेज कितना भी हो, बट जब आप उस सिचुएशन में होते हो, डिस्पाइट नोइंग एवरीथिंग, what has happened is that your emotions and these triggers get the better of you.
Absolutely.
और आपका वो क्लाउड इतना ज़्यादा हो जाता है कि अंडरलाइंग आपका जितना भी लव या अफेक्शन है वो सारा उस पर ओवरपावर कर जाता है.
ट्रूली. मतलब आपके सेशन के बाद मुझे लगा कि पॉजिटिव रिगार्ड रखना है, ये सब रखना है, एंड आई विल encourage him in everything. But hearing those statements again and again, I'm also human. I mean, come on. कितना ही हद तक मैं सुन लूँगी. That's it, हो गया, and I'm done totally. So yeah, and I thought कि maybe you'll provide some perspective here, what to do, and just I don't know what to do.
It is very difficult being in your position. I just had, I was thinking, you said that, कि कभी कभी मुझे लगता है कि क्या वो जानबूझ के कर रहा है या क्या उसे साइकोसिस है.
Yeah.
सो डू यू रियली थिंक कि वो जानबूझ के कर रहा है?
I mean, of course, I know कि there are signs and symptoms and factual है कि psychosis में ये सब होता है. But it was just the saturation point that made me believe कि कोई इंसान really ये mean कर रहा है, क्यों बोल रहा है. But yeah, of course, I know that's it's psychosis and it really taking toll on us.
कहीं ना कहीं थोड़ा गिल्ट तो नहीं फील हुआ आपको जिस
I mean,
वजह से
हुआ
आप
कि यार इतने टाइम तक मैं स्ट्रांग रही. व्हाट इज मतलब मैं कर सकती हूँ. व्हाट ब्रोक मी. एंड देन आई फेल लिटिल भाई ठीक है कि अगर तुम्हें मेरी गलती लगती है देन फाइन बी इट. I'll all mean well for you. All I want is that you get better. If you still believe that मेरी गलती है then fine, I'll accept that.
Okay.
I don't know about guilt. Yeah, yes, there is guilt, but there is more helplessness.
I can understand. It's but what I want to tell you today is,
Yes.
Chaya ji, that it's completely normal to feel the way that you're feeling, because anybody who is faced with the kind of situation that you are facing,
Yeah.
आप सिंगल पेरेंट हो, अपने बेटे का ध्यान रख रहे हो, देर इज़ नो मेल स्टाफ टू टेक केयर ऑफ हिम, यू आर जगलिंग ऑल द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़. ठीक है, आपको अपनी बेटी को भी देखना है, उसे भी प्रोटेक्ट करना है. साथ में जब ऐसे एलिगेशंस आपके ऊपर लगाए जाते हैं, डिस्पाइट यू डूइंग एवरीथिंग, जो आप फील कर रहे हो, डोंट यू फील दैट इट इज़, if it would have happened to a friend of yours, would you think that it's normal for your friend to have felt the way you are feeling?
If you put it like that, then I believe yes कि ऐसे reactions निकलते. And I would also tell her कि you know it's reasonable. So yeah, somewhere I believe it's reasonable. बट वही मुझे समझ नहीं आता कि क्या ये इमोशंस दिखाने चाहिए, क्या नहीं दिखाने चाहिए, और कितना हमें अंडरस्टैंडिंग बनना चाहिए. आई थिंक दैट्स बिकम्स द ग्रे एरिया.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's take a little break
Okay.
and switch over.
Okay.
ठीक है?
Please.
Do
Yes,
you think
please.
you can think of any 3 things
Mm-hmm.
that you like or admire in Rahul?
Admire, like about him. Can I be honest with you?
Yes, of course.
Like, right now I cannot think of anything. Like, absolutely
Nothing.
no. I think still recovering from that week.
Okay.
Yeah.
In that case, I would like to invite you to carry out a small activity with me.
Okay.
Do you think you'll be comfortable with that?
Yeah, absolutely. Anything helps the situation.
Okay. So, basically, I have a list of certain positive adjectives or attributes.
Okay.
ठीक है?
Mm-hmm. All right.
What I want is कि इनमें से आप कोई भी 4 या 5 attributes सर्कल करो
Okay.
जो आपको लगता है कि राहुल में है.
Right now?
हाँ.
Okay.
Even if you find it difficult, थोड़ा सा भी अगर आपको उसके अंदर इसका इंक्लिंग लगता है, तो just circle those 5 for me right now, or 4 for me right now.
Okay. I'll try. Four are okay?
Yeah, 4 are just fine. That's great. Thank you.
And this is, I think, what I'm gathering from the past.
I know.
Is what I can remember.
But we'll take this forward just a little bit.
Okay.
Okay. आपने जो अभी सर्कल किया है उससे रिलेटेड आपको अगर कोई इंसिडेंट याद आता है
Okay.
when he's shown this attribute,
Okay.
I want you to write that down and then
Okay.
discuss. You don't have to write very elaborately. If you want to write it in a line or two, and then you can discuss with me.
Okay.
Okay. Would you like to discuss?
I mean, करते करते इतना हार्ड नहीं लगा. One was that he's intelligent, no doubt. He scored good marks in school, and teacher also used to say it all the time. मतलब कभी मुझे उसके पीछे पढ़ाई के पीछे भागना नहीं पड़ा था.
Okay.
He used to do it on her no tuitions and everything.
Right.
So no doubt with that. Second is brave. He's very helpful. There's two words, helpful and brave, so I picked up
You
brave.
can even write helpful alongside if you want.
You know,
That'll make the fifth attribute.
I'm writing it
Yeah,
with
sure.
again
Yes,
because किसी के लिए help करना भी I feel it's an act of courage and bravery.
Yes, absolutely.
And there was this incident in our colony where these neighbors were stuck in their home, and we were also not there. And since there was the friends के parents थे, तो he rushed out, save the parents. कुछ आग वाग लग गई थी, and he called the fire brigade and everything, and it was like a quick thinking. So those intelligent and bravery combined. So he didn't think about कि I should wait or look
What will
out
happen to
करना.
me?
हाँ, that he went for it, and I was scared, but overall how it seems, it was a very brave act of very bravery. Strong-willed is third, which I believe that somewhere I need to remind myself that the way he when the episodes are not there, he is into कि okay, like ठीक है, हो जाऊंगा मैं ठीक, और क्यों टेंशन ले रही हो and everything. And but when these things come in, so it gets so blurred that I forget about these things. So I believe that he's very strong-willed. मतलब जितना भी he has shown patience and everything with the treatment and everything. So current situation, I'll say, is very strong-willed. And lastly is the energetic, because he's such a charming boy. He brings so much energy into the room, and everyone likes him. So he's
That's
that got energy. So yeah, I'm sure fifth will be also somewhere here.
So in fact, I was thinking when you were telling me about strong-willed, when he was telling you कि आप क्यों इतना tension ले रहे हो.
Yeah.
So I think he does realize, he's considerate that you are going through a lot, and he does want to make you feel better.
Yeah.
He does want to do his part that you don't take tension, but I think उसके symptoms उस पे भी overpower कर जाते हैं. जैसे
Right.
I think आपके जो emotions हैं वो इस बार ही आप पे overpower कर गए.
Right.
वैसे उसके सिम्टम्स भी जो इतने ज़्यादा बायोलॉजिकल रीजंस की वजह से भी आ रहे हैं, वो भी, और सर्कमस्टांसेस भी जो वो फेस कर रहा है, सो वो ओवर पावर उसके लिए भी कर जाते हैं. तो समटाइम्स उसका जो एस्पेक्ट ऑफ हिज बीइंग सो कंसिडरेट अबाउट यू ऑल्सो, वो भी थोड़ा सा धुंधला हो जाता है.
I guess, yes. We just meet in that gray area और वो हम दोनों के लिए इतना वो हो जाता है, स्पेशली मेरे लिए. He's so in the condition only. I guess, yeah, मतलब this is something I'll keep in mind actually. You know, like a reminder. Is that what this activity was all about?
I hope so.
No, yeah. Strong will wala point I just came to me right now. And yeah.
How do you feel after this exercise?
I feel that sometimes it gets very overwhelming. And you know, these kind of reminders, because उस time पे कोई नहीं बताता कि अरे, you know, he's intelligent, he's not that. Just the words that carry in the room. So I'll keep that list as a reminder. What is happening and how to sort of calm myself down when these things happen and not take it personally. I think that's the key.
Yeah, not taking it personally.
Yeah.
So I'll just sum up the activity, which
Absolutely.
actually you've already summed up for me very beautifully. But see, what happens is that for the best of relationships, you are actually going through right now, your relationship is in very troubled waters because of your son's illness and your being a single mother and so many of your difficult circumstances. तो बेस्ट ऑफ रिलेशनशिप्स में दिक्कतें आती हैं, और जब ऐसी चैलेंजिंग सिचुएशंस होती हैं तो रोज़मर्रा की जो हमारी दिक्कतें हैं और आपके केस में सिम्टम्स की वजह से आने वाली उसकी तरफ से जो नेगेटिविटी हो जाती है अपेरेंट, तो वो इतनी ज़्यादा हमारे ऊपर हावी हो जाती है कि इवन दो there is that layer of deep affection and respectful regard for that person, you forget about it.
Yeah.
And then the negative communication patterns of criticism, hostility, contempt take over. और आपका feelings ही negative हो जाता है उनके प्रति.
Yeah.
So when you came, you could think of nothing positive about him.
No.
And now you have come to a space that आपको लग रहा है कि नहीं, you have changed your perspective, right?
Yeah, there's an
So,
energy shift.
बेसिकली ज़रूरत क्या है कि हम पर्पसफुली माइंडफुल रहें अबाउट देयर गुड क्वालिटीज़, और ये ऐसा 15 दिन में एक बार या महीने में एक बार करने से नहीं होगा. सो आई हैव अ लिटिल होमवर्क फॉर यू. Okay, every day write just 3 good qualities about him in your small homework diary that you have.
Okay.
चाहे कभी कभी आपको कितनी ही लगे कि this quality is so insignificant.
Yeah.
But nevertheless, just any 3 good qualities about him, just write it. It may be like a tiny drop in the ocean, but
No. I
every
believe.
drop will make its effect. तो बस 3 चीज़ें आप उनकी अच्छी आप रोज लिखोगे, ठीक है?
Alright.
And
I can take this list, right?
yes, please,
Okay,
this is
great.
for you, and
Great.
I'll give you a couple of more worksheets just to
Sure.
help you do this every day. एक चीज़ मैं आपको और बताना चाह रही थी कि जब आप इतना ओवरवेल्म फील करें तो इट्स गुड टू एक्सेप्ट टू योर सेल्फ, identify to yourself that you are feeling this overwhelmed. You remember we talked about the thought wheel and the emotional wheel.
Yeah.
Right? So if you are feeling overwhelmed, if you are feeling angry, if you're feeling that, it's okay for you to accept that you are feeling sad, you're feeling hurt, you're feeling sometimes even betrayed, angry, helpless, hopeless. उस समय पे I would like you to use that chart
Okay.
and accept it to yourself, whatever you're feeling. If possible, talk to some people who you trust. I think we had made a list of 2-3 people who you feel comfortable talking to, right? It was one of us, your friend.
Yeah.
One of it was your cousin.
Yeah.
So whoever at that point of time you feel comfortable, or you can just write it down in your journal also, which we can discuss later.
ठीक है.
But what you are feeling, be in touch with it. Sometimes you can, if you don't understand, you can, again, I'm just reminding you, ask yourself, where are you feeling that in your body? Right? So that is an important aspect कि इसके अच्छे points को याद करने में आप ignore मत करना कि I am feeling a certain way. I am feeling a certain way, but he is not bad. We have to find a balance in the whole thing, right?
I guess that makes sense.
ठीक है?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
So I think I'll meet you next time.
Absolutely.
How has the session been for you?
Yeah, I think there is a shift of energy. I'm not exactly feeling how I came with.
That's great.
I think this is something I need to sort of sway into the weeks when he's in his episodes. So yeah, I think that would be really helpful.
That'd
Thank
be
you so
great.
much.
Most, it's my ultimate pleasure.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.